Welcome. Today, we're diving into the latest update on how to forward a message on Messenger using your PC. Whether you're sharing exciting news or passing along an important reminder, it's super simple. Let's get started. First, open your Messenger account by logging in. Once you're in, navigate to the chat where the message you want to forward is located. Next, scroll through your messages until you find the specific message you wish to share. This step is crucial, so take your time to pinpoint it accurately. Once you've found the message, look for the 3 dots located to the right of it. Click on those dots, and a menu will pop up, revealing several options. From this menu, choose the Forward option. This will open a new window where you can select the recipient you want to send the message to. Finally, after selecting your desired chat, click on the Send button next to their name. And just like that, your message has been successfully forwarded. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, with these simple steps, you can efficiently share important messages with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on using your favorite apps.